Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a common but sometimes frustrating OBD2 trouble code P010D. This code relates to your mass airflow MAF sensor, specifically indicating a problem with the B circuit's signal frequency. The OBD2 code P010D indicates a mass or volume airflow B circuit high issue, meaning the powertrain control module PCM has detected a problem with the mass airflow MAF sensor or its circuit. If your car has the P010D code, you might notice check engine light is on, rough idling or stalling, reduced acceleration, poor fuel economy. If you're experiencing any of these, it's time to diagnose the issue. A dirty or contaminated MAF sensor, wiring issues, vacuum leaks, intake system leaks, less commonly, ECU issues. MAF sensors are located between the air filter and the throttle body. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around. The wire inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleaned. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire, perpendicular to the ground, so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. Use an OBD2 scanner to clear the trouble code. Take your vehicle for a test drive to see if the code returns. Pay attention to how the engine is performing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car maintenance and troubleshooting tips. Let us know in the comments if you've dealt with the P010D code and what your experience was. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.